How to delete WhatsApp chat history from both sides. Full truth 2026. You want to delete a WhatsApp chat from both sides completely, and you want the full honest truth about what actually works and what does not. In the next 2 minutes, I am going to give you exactly that: no myths, no misleading tips, just the real facts straight from WhatsApp itself. Welcome back, I am Daniel, and today we are covering everything you need to know about deleting WhatsApp messages from both sides in 2026. Let us get straight into it. First, the honest truth that most videos will not tell you. There is no way to delete an entire WhatsApp conversation from both sides at once. When you delete a chat on your phone using the delete chat option, it only removes it from your device. The other person still has the full conversation on their phone completely untouched. That is the reality, and no official feature changes this. Now here is what you actually can do and how to do each one properly. Option 1. Delete for everyone. This is WhatsApp's official unsend feature. It lets you delete specific messages you have sent from both your side and the recipient's side. When it works successfully, your original message disappears and is replaced with the note, "This message was deleted on both sides." No content is shown to the other person. Here is how to use it. Open the chat, press and hold on the message you want to delete. Tap the delete icon and select delete for everyone. The critical thing to know: delete for everyone only works within 60 hours of sending the message. That is 2 days and 12 hours. After that window closes, the delete for everyone option disappears permanently, and you can only delete the message from your own side. So act fast if you need to use this feature. Option 2. Delete for me. If the 60-hour window has passed, you can still tap and hold any message, tap the delete icon and select delete for me. This removes the message only from your phone. The other person keeps it on their device. This is the only option available for older messages. Option 3. Delete the entire chat on your side. To clear a full conversation from your phone only, open WhatsApp, press and hold the chat in your chat list, tap the delete icon and confirm delete chat. This removes the entire conversation from your device only. Again, the other person still has every message on their phone. Option 4. Turn on disappearing messages. This is the closest thing WhatsApp offers to automatic deletion from both sides going forward. Open the chat, tap the contact's name at the top, tap disappearing messages and choose a timer: 24 hours, 7 days, or 90 days. Once enabled, new messages in that chat will automatically delete from both sides after your chosen time period expires. This does not affect messages already sent, only new ones going forward. Option 5. Delete your entire WhatsApp chat history from your own phone at once. Open WhatsApp, tap the 3 dots in the top right, go to Settings, tap Chats, then Chat History, then delete all chats. This wipes every conversation from your device only. The other parties keep all their messages. Pro tip: if you want to protect your future conversations from being stored long-term, turn on disappearing messages in your most important chats right now. Set it to 7 days for a good balance between convenience and privacy. It is the only built-in WhatsApp tool that handles automatic deletion from both sides without you having to manually delete anything. So here is the full truth summary. Delete for everyone works on both sides, but only within 60 hours. Delete for me and delete chat only clear your side. Disappearing messages auto-deletes both sides going forward, but not past messages. And there is no feature, official or otherwise, that deletes an entire existing conversation from both sides simultaneously. If this honest breakdown helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more straightforward app guides every week. Got a WhatsApp question you want me to answer? Drop it in the comments below. I read every single one. It has been Daniel. See you in the next one.